Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at FIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a collection from your favorites here on TikTok. We're going to open TikTok and head on over to our profiles page, and we're going to look for our favorites page. Now the favorites compiles all the posts that you've favorited. Now below we have some options working with. We have posts, we have collections, sounds, effects, products, playlists, and so on. But right now we're focusing on collections. So we're going to tap on collections. So far I have 3 boards going on, or 3 collections going on. So to create one, we're going to tap on the plus, create new collections. Now immediately this is asking you to enter a name for this collection, and I'm going to come up with one. You can always choose to make this public or private. So once it is public, when people come to your profile, they will see the collection that you have about DaVinci Resolve features. In my case, I'm just going to keep this private because this is just for my personal gain. Now I'm going to hit next. And this is every post that I have in my favorites. So in order for this to work, you have to be favoriting the posts that you like. The posts that are in the likes page, you won't be seeing them in your favorites unless you favorite them. Now there's one video that I actually came across today that is about DaVinci Resolve and its feature. So it is the first one there at the top. So I'm going to just select that. Now after selecting this one video, I'm going to add videos to this collection, and now the video is there. And that is it, guys. That is how I create a collection from my favorites.